Hi there, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review this Philips nose trimmer. But before that, let's find out what you will get inside the box of the product. Once you open the box, first of all, you're going to get few user manual from Philips, one trimmer carrying pouch, one nose trimmer. Overall quality is looking quite good. I will let you know more about this product after a few minutes. With this trimmer, you will get one Philips AA battery. And at the end, it also comes with two different attachments, that is small and large, and this attachment can be used to shape your eyebrow. That's it. These are all the accessories that can be found inside the box of Philips nose trimmer. Now let's go forward. This is the Philips nose trimmer. Overall quality is completely made up of plastic and it is a good quality plastic. In the body, there is a texture that gives comfort while holding it in the hand. Let me explain you one more thing. This is a waterproof trimmer, so entire body can be cleaned with the help of water. No problem on that. By the way, you can detach all the parts of the trimmer. For example, if you want to clean the blade or if you want to replace the blade in future, you can just rotate it something like this and the blade can be removed very easily. To fix it, again follow the same steps. Now if you want to put on the battery, just you have to rotate the bottom part something like this. Put the battery that comes with the trimmer and fix it something like this. That's it. Now you are ready to trim. But before going forward, let me explain you few things. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this trimmer just to let you know whether you should buy it or ignore it. So if you really want to support my channel, buy this product from the link given in the description section below. If you follow my link, you will also get it at the best price as well. Now let's go forward and do the live trimming test. First of all, let me show you how to trim your nose hair. So to trim your nose hair, you can put the trimmer inside your nose and rotate it slowly and you will get the good result. Something like this. Let me clear you one thing, this trimmer cannot do the clean shave because this is not a shaver and inside the nose the skin is very sensitive. So that's the reason you cannot do 100% clean shave, but yes, this trimmer does a quite good job to trim the hair available inside your nose. Now let me show you how to trim your eyebrow. To trim eyebrow, attach this comb that comes with the trimmer. So I'm going to use the long size comb. Remove your specs and do not trim like this in the opposite direction. Okay, make sure to trim something like this from right towards the inside direction, left, and from this side from left towards the right direction to get the better result. And one more thing, the overall quality of the trimmer is really looking great and it cannot do the 100% clean shave that I have already explained you, but the quality of the product is good one and it is also skin friendly. Alright guys, this is all about today. I hope you have found this video helpful. Then kindly hit the like button, and if you are planning to buy this product, I will highly recommend you from my side. The best buy link is given in the description section below. Make sure to buy it from there only. If you are new here, do subscribe it and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.